In today's video, I'm going to continue with the toy train, and we are actually going to work on part 8, the linkage peg. So let's get started. As the other videos, I'm going to insert a canvas. Again, you do not have to do this. I'm just doing it so you can see the numbers. So I'm going to get the linkage peg. I'm going to put it on that face. We're going to kind of make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to kind of move it up and out of our way. There we go. So let's get started. Normally, going to start a new sketch. And if I look at this linkage peg, again, it's showing me half inside here. So hint, I'm going to revolve this. All right. It even says use a revolve for this piece. So we're going to use a revolve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make this little rectangle here first, and then I'll put this curved top in. All right. So this rectangle, we're going to start off with a rectangle, simple rectangle. And then we're going to dimension. So I'm going to dimension it. I'm going to come up 0.25. I'm going to stop it right off the top here. So let's dimension. Top of that, we're going to go 0.25. Now, how wide is it going to be? Well, it shows me down here in the bottom, my diameter is 0.625. So I only want half of that. So let's zoom in. So I'm going to come down here. I only want half because I'm going to revolve this. Dimension 0.0625. I'm going to divide that by 2. It's going to be real small. There we go. Next, I want to put this little top piece on. So I want to come out a certain distance and I want to come up a little distance. So I'm going to put 2 lines in. One from here over. I'm going to put another line from here up. Okay, so now I have those 2 lines in, and this is going to be a small part. So I have these 2 lines in, one coming here and one coming here. Well, the one going up, if I look at my picture from the bottom to the top, 0.325. Let's zoom in. So from the top of that line down to this bottom, 0.325. Okay, let's see what else we have. If I zoom over, I can see I have another special radius. So I have a line coming out here. Okay, I have a line coming out here. And you notice that there's no like dimple. This is nice and smooth here. So 0.1562, that's the number, special radius. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come back down here. We are going to make another line from the top of here straight over. I'm going to make a 3-point arc. I'm going to go from this point here to that point over there. And I'm going to try to make sure, see if I can get that little tangent symbol, which you can see very carefully in light blue. It's right there. Now it pops in when I hit OK. There's that little tangent symbol. So I wanted to make this tangent up on top. So that way I know it's going to be nice and smooth going over. I need to put in a distance for this arc. Notice I didn't put any distance in for this line. I'm going to let the arc move the line. So 0.1562. There we go. 0.1562. Made that nice and smooth. We're almost done. Finish our sketch. Go revolve. Let's grab these 2 shapes. Let's grab this edge right there. Whoop. For our axis, go select axis. We'll grab our edge. Hit OK. I'm going to come back down here. I'm going to suppress my canvas. And we'll go to our home view. And there's our little peg. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button.